The White House urging Americans to protect themselves against what is being called a triple threat.
You likely know somebody that is sick right now. Between COVID, the flu, RSV, it's all out there and cases are rising. The trend here in Michigan with COVID-19 case numbers alone. In late November, the reports to the state were less than 9,000 new cases, while last week the number jumped to 12,000. And this week's report showed more than 13,000 new cases. Again, that's just reported to the state. That's not even the home testing. Bree Jackson reports the Biden administration is rolling out a new plan to deal with the surge in illnesses.
Rhonda, Nick, the White House is urging Americans to get their COVID and flu vaccines as cases rise nationwide. As Americans prepare to gather for the holidays, there are fears about rising flu cases.
The toughest part is the not breathing, the loss of breath.
Health officials say the flu is hitting harder and earlier than any time in the past decade. Recent CDC data shows 44 states reporting high or very high flu activity. The surge comes as COVID cases rise.
And while COVID isn't the disruptive force it once was, we are focused on ensuring that the U.S. is prepared for this winter, no matter what the virus throws at us.
Across the country, health professionals are warning of a tripledemic, raising concerns about COVID, the flu, and RSV, which experts say has peaked but is declining.
But nationally, there's no question in my mind RSV is heading down.
To combat the spread of respiratory viruses, the White House is urging people to get flu and COVID vaccines.
It is important. We know it works.
And reminding Americans to remain vigilant.
The reason for wearing a mask and hand washing, yes, it's to help with COVID, but it really, really works well against some of these other pathogens. And that's the thing to keep mindful of, that there's a lot circulating right now as we head into the winter.
Just going to keep my mask on. That's it, because I'm not trying to get sick.
The White House is sending COVID-19 test kits to schools, community health centers, and clinics. The administration is also making available 4 free at-home COVID rapid tests to households who want them. The White House is also encouraging local leaders to help spread the word about the importance of vaccines. In Washington, I'm Bree Jackson for Local 4.